Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the latest version of the iQOO Z11x, and honestly, this phone is kind of insane for its class. We're talking about a massive battery, a brand new Dimensity chipset, and features that you usually don't expect in this price range. But as always, specs don't tell the whole story. So in this video, we're going to fully review the iQOO Z11x from design, display, performance, camera, battery, and of course, is it actually worth buying? Starting with the design, the iQOO Z11x comes with a clean and modern look with a matte finish on the back that feels comfortable and doesn't easily attract fingerprints. The camera module is simple but still looks premium. But the real highlight here is durability. This phone comes with IP68 and IP69 rating, meaning it's highly resistant to dust and water, which is very rare in this segment. For the display, you get a 6.7-inch IPS LCD panel with full HD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling feels smooth, animations are fluid, and overall, it's very comfortable for daily use. Brightness goes up to around 1200 nits, so outdoor visibility is still good. Of course, it's not AMOLED, but for most users, it's more than enough. Now, let's talk about performance. The iQOO Z11x is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Turbo, built on a 4nm process, and this is where things get interesting. For daily use, everything feels fast and responsive, opening apps, multitasking, and switching between tasks. For gaming, it performs really well for its class. You can run Mobile Legends and PUBG Mobile smoothly on high settings, and even heavier games like Genshin Impact are playable on medium settings. Now for memory, the iQOO Z11x comes with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It uses LPDDR4X RAM and fast storage, which helps with smooth performance. It also supports virtual RAM expansion, giving you extra headroom for multitasking. Just keep in mind, there's no microSD slot, so choose your storage wisely. Now this is the biggest highlight, a massive 7200 mAh battery. This is easily one of the biggest batteries you can find right now. In real-world usage, light users can get up to 2 days. Heavy users can still get a full day comfortably. Charging is supported by 44-watt fast charging, which is decent considering the battery size. For the camera, you get a 50-megapixel main camera. In good lighting, photos are sharp, detailed, and look great for social media. Low light is decent, but not the strongest point. For video, both front and rear cameras support up to 4K recording, which is a big plus. And the 32-megapixel front camera is great for selfies and content creation. The phone runs on Android with Origin OS, offering a smooth and modern UI. You also get AI features like photo editing and smart enhancements. Other features include a side fingerprint scanner, face unlock, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. The phone comes with stereo speakers, which is great for watching videos or gaming. Overall experience feels very balanced, especially between performance and battery life. So, is the latest iQOO Z11x worth it? If you're looking for extremely long battery life, solid performance, modern features, and great overall value, then yes, this is one of the most interesting phones in its class right now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.